What's up, VW Lifers? Jake here. Got a shop vlog for y'all today. Gonna be pulling Ziggy's motor. I saw after it got hit by a deer, developed an oil leak, so that's always fun. Gonna pull the motor, see where we're at, get on the test stand, and get everything really clean and see if I can see where that leak's coming from. I got a couple of theories, only one way to find out. Let's go. So after last night, I cleaned it back here. Now I can see where I got leaks coming from. I got 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 leaks coming from there. No bueno. Gotta get in there, clean it up, and see where this leak's coming from. This is VW Life. Vice grips with fuel line. 8mm. 17. Another 17. Probably forgetting something, but Alright, pulling a motor, pulling anything, doing anything with a Volkswagen, when you gotta get in there, most important thing you can do, disconnect that battery. That way stuff doesn't catch on fire. Always more bolts holding on the apron than the motor. Volkswagen. Underneath. Alright, so I don't know if you can see that, VW Lifers. Let's see here. Here you got tubes going back to the heat exchanger and whatnot. You can see the starter right here. But you want to plug your fuel line so you don't get gas everywhere. Oh, never done this with the camera. The clamp on there. That's a good clamp. Yeah, that's good. Alright. While I'm down here, I'm gonna go ahead and get these 17s off. That's on the bottom of the trans and go up to the motor. Bottom 2 bolts. Well, just a dude and a GoPro pulling a motor on a Volkswagen. I want to get that one off first, just because it's a little more complicated. So I want to get that one off first. Oh yeah, that deer definitely got that thing. Now you want a pro tip, as I'm struggling to get that off so I can sound like a pro still. You got clothespins on your metal fuel line, helps dissipate heat, so you help avoid vapor lock when it's really, really hot in the desert or anywhere, but we live in Texas, it's hot here. Oh yeah, fuel everywhere, baby. Shouldn't be too much because we got it clamped in the back. Cables are done, accelerator cable's out, fuel line's been pulled off. Bushings can stay in there. Got the motor out, staying on a stand. Gonna really clean it. You see dust from New Mexico. All right, VW Lifers, a little bit of change of plan. I'm gonna strip everything off, get it nice and clean, including the case, and then I'm gonna put it back together, kind of like half together, so I can see the case while I run it, see if there's a crack in the case, or if a plug is leaking, or just something along those lines. Yeah, this is new to me. I just got a text from the old man. He's the bus guru, so I listen to him. Just like I listen to Tommy and Matt Jackson and Matt Martin. They know more than me. And that's okay. That's okay. I'm learning. We're all learning. Time to strip this down. I'm gonna show you all this. There's oil and grease all up in here. Like I said, I don't know what that means, but probably not a good sign. We got everything set up. We're gonna test it. The old man's here, so they got more knowledge. About to run it without a fan, so. What we're thinking is coming out of this right here. My finger's at that screw, or this is cracked, or both, because it's Volkswagens. Let's see what she's got. All right. Huh. Don't gotta worry about anything. Okay, go ahead. All right, we're hot. You think it's gonna be fine on that milk crate?
Yeah, I'll be fine.
All right, watch that. Is anything?
Yeah, we're good.
All right.
Uh-oh, that's my bad.
All right. Take two.
Yep, take two. Go ahead.
3, 2, 1. I didn't check the oil level.
It wasn't out, was it? No, okay.
Right there. If you scoot back, you can kind of see it right here. I see it. And bingo was his name up. Right there. Oh crap. Right out in there. Oil cans. We found the problem. It's cracked in the case. Now, time to find a solution. Thanks for sticking around, and hopefully see Ziggy back on the road one of these days. Don't know what motor will be in it, but thanks for sticking around, VW Lifers. We appreciate you, we love you, and hope you get entertainment out of my hard struggles, and our hard struggles hope bring you happiness. I don't know, but you're not alone with your Volkswagen issues. Peace, see you next time.